Hey y'all, it is Thanksgiving Day and we are getting ready. Oh my goodness. She's got 2 angel bears from the Dollar Tree. We are getting ready to get in the car and we are driving to go see our family and spend some time with them for Thanksgiving, and then we are gonna actually drive back. So I thought it would be fun to take you guys with us for today and see what we're doing for Thanksgiving and meet some of our family. And look how pretty Gracie June is. Can we show them your outfit? Let's show them your outfit for today. Oh, look how stinking cute you are. This is one of those Eleanor Rose dresses. We are obsessed with these. It's got the little Indians and the turkeys. So cute. And the pilgrims. And then, of course, that orange bow. Look how cute you are. But we get these on a resale site on Facebook, so. And there's Daddy, Mr. Chance.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Say Happy Thanksgiving, Gracie June.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We're gonna go get in the car and drive for 2.5 hours. We are in the car on the way to Thanksgiving. And I wanted to say hey to Buddy back there. Kason, say hey. Well, on the way to Thanksgiving with our family. That's what I meant. And we're watching Monsters, Inc. That's why he's not talking. Here goes the drive.
Christmas trees.
Say hey. Who's that, Gracie June? Is that your Skylar? Aww. Alright, we just got to my Aunt Lynn's. This is Taylor. This is Kyle. There's my mama. Hey. So we're about to eat some turkey. Oh yay, Granny just got here. Say hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
You're live.
My granny and Papa just got here. They brought the turkey in. Here's Ashley. Hi. She has a channel too. I don't ever use it. She's got a vlog up. She's gonna start vlogging more. I'm gonna talk her into it.
Well, me too.
Yeah. And this is my Aunt Lynn. Say hey to YouTube. Hi.
You doing a vlog?
And this is my Aunt Terry. And there's Uncle Tony.
Happy Thanksgiving. That's my wonderful wife.
Yay. So we're gonna have some fun.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I...
Alright, we're about to play left, right, center as a family. Oh, y'all ready to play left, right, center? Yeah. Do you want to play?
Heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. This place where we can go, where it's all shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, it's a place where we can go.
Keep it. Keep it. Either way, not fair. Okay. I'm gonna say right. If I win all this money, all right, your turn. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I'm the winner. That means we can play again because I didn't bring more money. We're on game 2. Skylar's playing. Kaysen's playing. And Gracie June's helping Ashley. Ashley said she'd split it with her.
No, don't put it in the middle. Keep it. Don't put it in the middle.
Make her pop.
I'm gonna be myself, I'll be someone else. No one's stopping me now. Skip my breaks, I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm so. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time. I'm gonna be myself, I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was laughing because I'm retarded. Look, Gracie Jean, look at me.
Alright, take one with my camera really quick. Hold on.
That's good.
Hey, good picture, and then y'all don't have to do it anymore.
Okay, that's good. Look.
Cute. Gracie
No
June.
fake smiles, no real smiles.
Good. Ready? Okay, now move.
We got it. Photo.
Dad.
We got it.
Go. Move. Let him get out of the way. Sorry. Gracie June, look at Aunt Lynn.
Smile. Ashton, get your shirt on. We're going to take a picture.
Good
Ashton, get your shirt on. Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is my cousin Kelly and her family.
Okay, we're the crazy house.
They want to be the crazy house on YouTube. Look at all these kids. When they make their channel, I'll let you know so you can go subscribe. Y'all say hey. Say hey, YouTube. Oh, she had to jump in. You're not part of that family. They're the crazy family. What you playing? She brought you a balloon. What do you say, Gracie June? Yeah, your balloon. She brought it to you, though. What do you say? Oh. Oh my goodness. Well, they're cute. Alright, so this is my cousin Kelly. Say
Hold
hi.
on, where was I supposed to look?
Just look right here.
Oh.
This is Kelly. And she's going to be making a YouTube channel for her family. They're going to call it
The Crazy Bunch?
The Crazy House. I think
Crazy
is what
House.
Ashton, or what
Holden came up with?
So we'll see. I'll let you know. But
Yeah.
Alright, we are headed back home. We had so much fun. Kason, what did you have fun doing?
Drawing my balloon.
Oh, he drew a face on his balloon. Let's see your face.
What's your
There's Kason. Gracie June, let's see yours. Can we see you? Let's see your face. Point it towards me. There's
see.
Gracie June.
Gracie?
It's cute. But Kason played. It's cute. Kason, did you have fun playing football
Yes.
and soccer?
Yes.
You are playing pretty rough.
Crazy. It's
But we
okay.
are making the 2.5 hour truck home.
Truck home.
What do you say?
Trip.
Trip? Truck? Right?
How long do we stay there?
For a while.
How,
Did y'all have fun playing the
how
minute?
much hours?
We got
Several
there
hours.
at 12:30 to 5:30. It's 5 hours.
Casey and Gracie June, did y'all have fun playing those minute to win it games?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And two of the other little boys won, but they all ended up getting Hershey bars anyways. But yeah, so we're heading back home. We had a blast on Thanksgiving. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all say bye.
Gracie, the nose looks like a
Chance is trying not to sleep. Say bye,
It
Chance.
really does.
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
serious.
Bye.
Oh, seriously, pay attention.
Just hit a kid.
Y'all say bye. Say happy Thanksgiving.
Bye.
Oh my goodness. And we will see you guys in the next one.
Your face.
Bye.